Hello guys, my name is Aryash Giri and today we'll be unboxing the YJ Yulong 5x5. Now, I know I haven't posted a video for like a week or so, but I had my reasons. And today this is a YJ Yulong, another YJ Yulong product, and they are so good because the YJ Yulong 3x3 is like really nice. So of course, I'm expecting to be really good because it's a YJ product. So let's unbox it. Okay, they've given us how to solve a 5 by 5. I don't need it. I'm an expert in 5 by 5. Lol, just kidding. Okay, this was like my expectations, like a glossy surface as you can see. And of course, this is smooth. And it feels a bit out of control right now, but maybe that's just me getting used to it. So if I practice with this regularly, I think I can score my PBs on this. And this is much better than this cube, which is so hard to turn. Just look at this is really hard to turn, but this is not that bad itself. Maybe you just have to loosen the just have to loosen the tensioning or something, but this is way too good. I'm just pausing because it has been a long time since I practiced a 5 by 5, but I'm sure I'll be able to do good. Also, I have some other puzzles, like I got a new 7 by 7 also, and this is a usual little magic 7 by 7, and of course this, like the 5 by 5, is way better than my last 7 by 7. So of course, if you remember my first 7 by 7 unboxing, in that I had shown my timings in the last, and I got an 8-minute timing. And while I kept practicing a 7 by 7, I got a 6-minute timing, but with this cube I am on 4 minutes now. So of course this is really good. It's just same like the 5 by 5, but this is not a YJ product, it's a usual little magic. Also, I got a really weird puzzle. I don't know why I ordered this, but this is just a single layer cube. What is this, 1 by 3 cube or something? This is really weird. Turn it also. Like, it's not like you can make a cross. Okay, I can maybe. Yeah, this is the like max I can go. Because I don't think I can solve it if I scramble it completely. Can I? Okay, this. Oh wow. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. Okay, so this really doesn't have any kind of purpose with me practicing or anything. It's just more for like kind of fun. But these two are like really good. So the link will be description in for both of these cubes, and this is like the one of the best 5 by 5s I've ever had. But they're also better, like maybe, I'm not sure. This is the best so far from what I've known. But for the 7 by 7, of course you can get the YG MGC, or the X-Man Shadow or something like that. But this is not too bad itself. This is really good. Okay, I just messed up the algorithm. Okay, so let's check my timings on the 5 by 5. Yes. So right now you guys saw that I got a 1 minute 39 seconds timing. I also got my PB, which is 1 minute 21 seconds, but unfortunately I wasn't recording that. But overall this cube is really good, and but one thing I noticed is that this is a bit unstable and it likes to pop out sometimes when I'm doing it too fast, especially the middle layers. But overall it's really good. And about the 7 by 7, this is also really good because this is actually smaller compared to my older cube, I noticed right now. And the smaller the cube is, the better, because I don't think I can just hold big cubes. And it also takes a lot of energy to turn this cube, but this one is just kind of effortless. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe the channel, and do not forget to like the video and share it and comment on it. Thank you.